Hello, grade 1. Alright, let's go over the semester exam study guide. Yay. Please check the schedule. I'll share the slideshow with you so you can check the schedule to see when your class will be taking the practical lab. It says ICT Prac Lab. This is grade 1A. It's going to be on the first day, Monday, period 1. And when you're going to take the ICT theory. The practical will be on computers in the ICT computer lab, and the theory will be on paper in your classroom. So for example, G1A, period 1 on Monday, they have the practical. I'll be there with you. We'll talk more about that later. G1A will take the theory. That'll be period 6 on Wednesday. So make sure you know. You've got so many tests and you're going to do so great. So good luck. For our theory one. This is what we've only done 2 chapters. So chapter 1 in your textbook, questions on page 18. We went over these together. We even did this worksheet, the ICT G1 computers. It might be in your book, it might be floating around your room, but you did a big drawing here and then you labeled some things in the drawing. Review that, please review that for the test. It would be something like that. We will also, for the theory part, talk about input and outputs. We do our little dance, you know the different parts of the computer. Please review the charts we made in your notebook. If you didn't make any, this is what they looked like. We talked about output devices, what they look like, and what the output is. Output and input, please review those. Also, chapter 2. We learned about different things. We had lots of discussions. The questions on chapter 2, page 34, look at those and be prepared to answer those questions on your tests also. For the practical, we pretty much did, what did we learn how to do? We learned how to do lots of Kittle stuff. What I'm going to ask you to do is similar to this. Starting the computer, you're going to do that. Wait for it to start up. You're going to log in. You should remember this, and then you're not going to have your notes. You're going to look for this, and then you're going to do this later. We're probably going to download an image. Don't worry about the bookmarks part, but we're going to try to download images. Remember, we did this. Check this in your book, page 26. We double-click with 2 fingers to download. That'll probably be on the practical test. Okay. So that's it for theory and practical. If you want to stop here, if you're in school, you can stop here. You don't have to watch the rest. The rest is for my people that will be online. There's a bird outside. My people that will be online, I'll show you how to use the Juno pod. Okay. Please be logged into your student, not parent, UIAJP email account. Okay, and when you get the link, when you get the assignment, you'll click on it, and it'll look a lot like this. Okay, there'll be, I'm not sure what that is, arrows going front and back. It'll tell you how many pages there are, and I'll have a slide at the beginning saying hello. This one is G1, how to use Juno pods. I'll be explaining the 3 different kinds of questions you will see on our test. That's the fancy name for our test. Okay, to get to the next one, you can hit this. This is an example of multiple choice. So there's different choices, and you put your arrow over the top, you can see they change colors. Pizza, there'll be a sentence, then you have to probably finish. Pizza is a food. Pizza is an animal. Which one is it? Okay, so if you think it's a food, then click on that one. Sometimes it goes to the next question. I'm not sure if I clicked it. I thought it would click in here, so I double click.
A food.
And it says it for you, so then I know that one. But if I click this, they're both dark, so I'm confused. So sometimes I go back just to check. Nope, I don't want animal. I want food. So
a food.
Double click and make sure they say it. Maybe that'll help you. This is so you'll have some multiple choice ones, and then you'll also have short answer. I'll ask you a question, and then you can type your answer in here. What is the weather like outside today? And then you can write, today is cloudy and raining. Something like that. That's not going to be the question, but that's what you do. You type inside this box. And then you can go here. You can go back and check your answers. Check this one. Go back to the front. You can go as much as you want. This is the last one. Maybe it'll be the first question though. But anyway, there's going to be a drawing. Please draw a red circle and a green square in the box, I should say, below. So there's a big box here to draw in. If you scroll down, 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 you'll see these different colors. I'm going to draw with red or green or blue or black. Then there's an X button, undo and redo. So let's see what we want to do. Please draw a red circle and a green square. Let's draw a red circle. Okay, so I have my thing here. Oh wait, that's a circle, but it's not red. So I'm going to go undo. What happens if you go like this? I'm going to go undo. And then I'm going to, what color do we need? Red. So then I'm going to make a red circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, but pretty close. And a green square. So you have different colors you can draw with. And then use your mouse and do it as best you can. If you want to do it like this. If you want to, does this erase it? Oh, it does. I guess it'll erase. That's cool. Okay, but I want to bring it back. Okay. And then it said, then write C next to the circle. Okay, so I can write any color, doesn't matter. I'm going to write black. C next to the circle. Anywhere near the circle you can write C. And then write an S next to the square. Okay, this is fun. So then I have an S. And then I'm all done. You could double check, double check. But that's what you're going to do. You can do different colors. You can undo. You're going to do a drawing for the test. And you're going to write some letters next to the different parts of the drawing. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you something. If you skip one question, if I didn't put an answer in here, when I get to the last question and I think I'm done, page 404, I'll go like this. It'll go back to the questions you haven't answered. So you have to answer everyone, so it's kind of nice that they go back and show you the ones that you didn't do. But if you do all of them and it says, and you get to the end, you can say ready to turn this in. Cancel, finish later, turn in now. If you feel like you're done, you want to go back and check any ones, you can. But I feel good, I'm going to hit turn in now, and then it's going to go back and say I finished the assignment. Yay! So hopefully that helps. We reviewed some stuff up here. Make sure you read this schedule to see when you're going to do it. And good luck, good luck, good luck. Alright, take care, bye-bye. Yay, grade 1.